The reason that your home didn't sell may have nothing to do with your home or with the market. The reality is that your home may have been one of the more desirable properties for sale. If so, I'm sure you're asking yourself, why didn't my house sell? Hi everybody, this is Mark Huntington with the Huntington Group. We're your source for local Utah trends, real estate news, and educational reports that we make available to consumers at no cost or obligation. In today's video, we're going to cover how to sell a house that didn't sell. Due to changes in Utah's market during the past year, approximately 37% of the homes listed for sale did not sell with the agent who listed the home. This has left many homeowners frustrated, or even worse, financially disadvantaged. Naturally, this has caused sellers to look for ways to make sure they are successful at selling their homes for top dollar and in the shortest time frame. To help with this, we've prepared a free special report titled How to Sell a Home That Did Not Sell. Don't risk making these common mistakes and losing both time and money on your investment. Get this free report now and make sure that your home sells fast and for top dollar the next time you list it for sale. And if you found this video helpful, you're going to want to check out our next video called How to Sell a Home Yourself and Save the Commissions. In this video, I give away all the information that you would need to sell a home yourself. But of course, going for sale by owner, it may be a great route for you to save money, but before you do that, make sure that you download our free report to bring yourself up to speed so that you're armed with all of the facts you would need to be successful at selling your home on your own. Thanks everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.